Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am doing some cleaning today and I found a few new products that I wanted to try out and I thought I would show you the results. I've never used these before, but I found them together at Menards, and I have heard of the Lemi Shine brand before. They make a dishwashing booster sort of a thing that gets rid of spots and I guess hard water deposits, but I had never seen these products from them before. Washing machine cleaner, dishwasher cleaner, and disposal cleaner. So they're pretty straightforward. The directions are basically to put it in the washing machine in the tub of the washer and run a normal washing cycle. So I believe the dishwashing directions are the same, normal cycle, just pour it in the bottom of the dishwasher, and the disposal looks kind of fun because it foams up and you just run a little bit of water, drop this pellet in, and it foams up and sanitizes and smells nice. So I thought I would give these a try. Let's see how they work. So here we are in the laundry room, and the washing machine looks all right, but this is something you should do occasionally just to prevent bacteria growth in there and any foul smells. It doesn't seem to smell now, so that's a great thing. So we're just going to dump this in. I hear it sizzling. Something's happening. And we will select the normal cycle. It says warm water. Okay, and let's check to make sure that it's supposed to be warm water and not, it says hot water. There. So 47 minutes, we'll see the results. Should be exciting. So the washer just beeped to indicate that it's done running through this cycle. So let's take a look. Does it look shinier? It smells nice. It didn't smell bad before, but I think maybe it looks shinier. And I mean, you're really cleaning the interior components, right? I mean, that's where any bacteria is going to form. So I think what you're really supposed to do is sort of leave the door open a little bit and just let everything dry out. So I would say that this one was a win. It worked. It made the washer smell nice. So here we are at the dishwasher. We're going to try out our Lemi Shine dishwasher cleaner. So let's open it up and see how it's looking. I mean, it looks all right. The directions are to pour it in the bottom, and why is there a knife in the bottom? We probably don't want that in there. Although, I don't know, will it do anything if you did this with dishes in the machine? Why risk it? All right, so just poured it in the bottom. Make sure there's nothing else in here. And get this thing going. Can you tell I don't know how to necessarily work these appliances? So the dishwasher says 0. That must mean it's done. Let's take a look and see the results of the Lemi Shine. Smells very nice and clean. And pretty much looks the way it did before, but it wasn't really dirty before either. So. While the other two were somewhat anticlimactic, this has the potential to be a little more interesting. The Disposal cleaner comes with 2 in a package, and the directions were to let the hot water run for a minute and then reduce the stream to a trickle. And put one of these pellets in the disposal and turn it on until the foam stops. And let's see what happens. And it also said that foam may come up the other side, so let's see. With disposal turned off and empty, run a heavy stream of hot water into the sink, but not directly into the disposal. After 1 minute, reduce hot water to a pencil-thin stream. With disposal off, water still running, insert 1 dissolvable pod into the disposal, then turn on the disposal. Foam may be visible from both sides of your double sink as it cleans. Cleaning is complete once foam entirely evacuates from disposal. 1 to 2 minutes. Rinse remaining foam from sink and turn off. Shine on. I see absolutely no foam, so I guess it's complete. Did it do anything? I don't know. Did I do it wrong? Well, we can try another one, I guess. I really didn't see any results, so let's use the second one. I maybe had the water a little bit too high. This is as low as it goes, so toss it in, and hopefully something will happen this time. Here we go. That looks like it was more like it. I think we just had the water up a little bit high and it probably just sort of flushed it right down the drain rather than cleaning. So it didn't come out this drain, but worked on the second try. So keep the water very, very low and you get a little bit of foam. Does it look cleaner? It's hard to say. I didn't notice a smell before or after, so I guess it gives you peace of mind. My final verdict on these 3 Lemi Shine products is that they work, and a little bit of preventative maintenance goes a long way. You definitely don't want your friends coming over to your house for a party and saying, "Ooh, his garbage disposal was kicking." But every month or 2 for a couple of dollars each packet, why not throw one in your washing machine, dishwasher, and garbage disposal keep things fresh and smelling nice. So if you don't believe me, you can ring my doorbell and I'll let you smell my garbage disposal. If you haven't subscribed yet, it's not too late. If you have, welcome to the family. I love you for watching.